All right, fam, back with another one. You know where we're at. This is kind of my go-to spot. A few minutes in the afternoon, come down and come fishing. So I jumped down to the spot I ended last time, got that big old boy, and then see if we catch anything. Got the GoPro on the chest, ready to go. Alrighty, what to pick? Kind of want to toss this big mumbo jumbo a second, see if we catch anything. If not, we'll go with a few lures, and then if not, old trusty orange power beat. Everyone does the quick release thing on their fishing pole, but a little sketchy. Let's try to catch a fatty right here. We're gonna do 10 casts with this and see if we can catch a big one. If not, no worries. Big old bald eagle. Hopefully you can see it. Flying straight that way. All right, so fishing trip has turned into a golden eagle trip. It's actually right over there, right above my camera in that tree right there. And he's been flying around trying to get some fish. So I've been trying to snap some pictures. Hopefully he jumps back up again. He's been flying in and out. There's a couple bald eagles here earlier. Just trying to snap some pics. So I'm gonna jump back on here if he jumps out of the tree, and then we can add that to the video. All right, you can see him flying around. I don't have my tripod, so excuse my somewhat shaky hands. Let's see if he'll go get a little fishy for us. Oh, looks like he's thinking about it. Oh, I lost him. Oh, he's way down there. Oh, getting the digital zoom. He's way gone. Can't tell. He's got a better little zone for himself somewhere. Oh, that was good. Good stuff right there. Booyah! Alright, so he just flew off, but I got that video, so pretty sweet. And then, as I was saying before that cut off, I got some pretty cool pictures that I'll put right here of him flying into the water, just like super rapid fire, just ta 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 ta. So that was pretty cool. Man, need to go home. But I'm gonna give him 2 more minutes, and if he shows back up, then see if I can snap some more stuff. If not, then, you know, no fish. I could see him surfacing, but not like it was before. And I don't know if it's just because it's overcast, but I definitely need to get into fly fishing, get some of that smaller little nymphs. And I really don't know what people use to fly fish around here. I know one guy shared on Facebook that I had, that a group that I'm in, he used a zebra midge in this southeast Idaho area. So I'll probably come back and use that. And then I'm like, I have these like San Juan worms that look like they'd be really good. But if anyone knows about fly fishing in this area, again, leave a comment. Another little ad. Sorry, oops, not a good spot for my camera, but right here. So if you guys want one of these bad boys, gonna probably do a couple little designs, but leave a comment below, reach out to me, and I want to send these out. I don't know if I should sell them for like $2 or if they'd just be kind of good little promotional stuff, just like, oh yeah, I got a JK Outdoors sticker. So let me know what you guys think. Yeah, like $2, $3 would be able to, and then I'd be able to buy more, just breaking even. So let me know, and I'll catch you guys next time. Unless this guy flies back within the next minute. Okay, see ya. Here's some little bonus footage for you guys. It's a pretty guy. Just over the river. Super pretty. If you guys made it this far, like and subscribe. I'll catch you next time.